Hello students, I am Sanjay Jha sir. Today I am going to upload a new video for the meniscus formation, how it takes place, means for mercury, for kerosene, for water, how we get the angles, acute angle, obtuse angle, zero, in that way. So we will be having a discussion for the same. Of course, I will be taking only one for mercury and remaining two will be your homework. But I am very sure that if you see this video throughout, you can answer those questions. Students, even I request you to subscribe my channel so that anything new which I will be adding, you will be getting a notification for the same. So without wasting any time, let us deal with the derivation or the explanation for the angle of contact. So see over here students, I take for kerosene, okay, and I give you homework for water and for mercury, and I am very much sure that you will understand it, okay. So let us proceed. Why before we start with our video, remember students, when you are talking about for any of the liquid in the nature, for any of the liquid in the nature, adhesive force is greater or cohesive force is greater. It depends upon nature of liquid. I repeat my statement. For any of the liquid in the nature, adhesive force is greater or cohesive force is greater. It depends upon the nature of liquid. So, if liquid has a nature completely or partially wet solid, completely or partially wet solid, it is observed that adhesive force is greater than cohesive force. And if a liquid has a nature does not wet solid, that means cohesive force is greater than adhesive force. Okay, so if suppose you take a spoon of water and you spoil it onto the bench or onto the glass surface, you will find that it spreads automatically. It spreads. Why it spreads? Glass is a different substance, water is a different substance, so different substance means adhesive force is greater. But on contrary, if you take mercury, if you even press mercury, mercury does not stick to our hand. Why? Because its cohesive force is very strong. So therefore, I made a statement that for any of the liquid in the nature, if the liquid has a nature completely or partially wet solid, adhesive force is greater. And if a liquid has a nature does not wet solid, then cohesive force is greater. So if you recollect my lectures, what you find for kerosene? Kerosene has a nature partially wet solid. So therefore, adhesive force will be greater than cohesive force. Now look at the diagram. The diagram is only our answer. See, because at the point of contact, we consider a molecule A. So this is a liquid molecule. Okay. Now this liquid molecule A experience adhesive force AP bar, cohesive force AQ bar. Of course, adhesive force with respect to air is negligible and mg, weight of the liquid drop, is negligible because it is very small. So AP bar and AQ bar, adhesive force represented by AP bar and cohesive force represented by AQ bar. So as kerosene has a nature partially wet solid, so therefore adhesive force is greater than cohesive force. That means if you draw a resultant, the resultant AR bar will lie towards solid. Okay, because two vectors, so obviously the resultant has to be the diagonal of the parallelogram. So therefore resultant AR bar lie towards solid. Now under equilibrium condition, okay, resultant and free surface should always be perpendicular to each other. That's inertia. Under equilibrium condition, resultant and free surface. Remember children that see, force is acting and even free surface behave like a stress elastic membrane. So when force act, free surface will obviously stretch to some extent, means there will be work done. But under equilibrium condition, our work done should be zero. So when our work done is zero, then when force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. So therefore, to satisfy this condition, molecule A near the point of contact will slightly creep upward. So if it creep upward, obviously it give you concave meniscus. If you take a surface of water and you keep it into the container, there is a creeping along the liquid molecules in the upward direction. So if you make your container narrow, you get concave meniscus. So in this way, we get concave meniscus. So resultant and free surface should always be perpendicular to each other. Therefore, when tangent is drawn, it gives you an angle of contact less than 90. That is, it is an acute angle. That's all about for kerosene. Now, I give you a homework for mercury and for water. But dear students, remember one thing: for water, adhesive force will be much greater than cohesive force. For water, adhesion is very strong, so it will coincide with the wall of the container, producing an angle of contact 0 that you have to draw. And for mercury, mercury is a liquid which does not wet solid, so cohesive force will be greater than adhesive force. And accordingly, you need to draw the figure for your diagrams and you need to explain it. Continue with this particular part. Obviously, we will be meeting with a new session and a new topic in our next video. Thank you.